Hi, welcome. So this is a very important part of the communication systems. That is, till date, we knew about the terrestrial networks. That is, we see base stations everywhere deployed beside our homes or beside or on the buildings. But this is a very important concept called non-terrestrial networks. Like this is not on Earth. This is not deployed on Earth. Basically, it means that it is a satellite. So what it does, so what problem it solves, we have to understand that first. So there are places on Earth which are unreachable, or we might be we might have faced those situations, like whenever we are in airplane or whenever we are on the ocean, whenever we are on the ships or anywhere in the boat. There will be many such situations where we cannot get the network coverage. At that time, this problem has to be addressed, and uh, that can be solved by non-terrestrial networks. So this slide we have that simple basic understanding which this slide gives is that here in the diagram, on the Earth surface we have city, that is user, and satellite in the space will act as a relay which takes that signal from the UV user equipment as a uplink, and that same signal it is just given back to the user user B in the other city where there is no network coverage. That is non-terrestrial. This is non-terrestrial networks. So like if I have to explain in the basic way, there are oceans, mountains, deserts, remote rural areas. Oceans where navy sails, they need to send some data, or on the mountains where there'll be people going on hikes and they need some coverage, or there'll be some bottleneck communications, or or the military in the deserts. In the desert, there'll be military deployed and they need to communicate with a very important uh, information. Or the remote rural areas, most of the area is still not connected, not with they don't have a proper network connection, so that can also be addressed in the non-terrestrial networks. So this is why we need satellite communication. uh, so wherever the towers cannot be deployed, uh, or deploying towers in and out everywhere on the mountains, deserts, and simply that is near to impossible or very costly, or laying down the wire cables along the Himalayas or in the ocean, it is very tough. So in order to uh, save a lot of money, this non-terrestrial networks is being introduced.